finger down if you've copped racism in a sporting event.
Put a finger down if you have ever been judged for being Aboriginal.
Finger down if you've ever been called a fake Aboriginal.
Put a finger down if someone has laughed when you said you're Aboriginal.
Put a finger down if you've ever been yelled out from a car window.
Put a finger down if people don't think you're Aboriginal.
Put a finger down if you've been called Abo by your mates.
Put a finger down if you've ever been called a nigger.
Put your finger down if your Aboriginal heritage has ever been questioned.
Put your finger down if someone has called you an alcoholic or a petrol sniffer.
Put a finger down if you've been called a fake Aboriginal because you're not black. Put a finger down if you've been questioned about your Aboriginality.
Put a finger up if you will work towards reconciliation.
Put a finger up if you've called out racism in public.
Put a finger up for coming together.
Finger up if you've reported abuse on social media.
Put a finger up if you'll ask someone about their culture.
Put a finger up if you believe everyone should be treated the same.
Put a finger up for unity.
Finger up if you'll take the time to get to know people and withhold judgment.
Hold a finger up if you support culturally diverse education.
Put all your fingers up because we are all one community.